go ahead, since this one is damaged, where's my cut? There it is. We'll just go ahead and get in here and lift this guy out. Going through one of the little notches here. My pick tools are on the way. Figured at this stage of the game, might as well get everything. So this diaphragm is roasted. Let's get it out here. By any means possible. There we go. Look at this bugger. Get underneath it, in front of it, behind it. Whatever it's gonna take to get this guy out. All right, there we go. Just went ahead and got that, lifted it out. Nice little press fit. In there, we'll clean up the cap real quick. Just gonna give it a wipe. It's not really dirty. I mean, the exterior is a little bit, but other than that, clean up the inside from any debris. All right, we're all set. And we'll go ahead and grab our new part. Like so. Just go ahead and press this in. Okay, goes in real gentle like. Being careful not to damage, slips right in. Good to go. There's our new one. All seated. Good there. Our spring. Basically it's a two-way spring. I noticed that that end actually came up, but it's essentially a all right, so that press fits on there. Boom, our new diaphragm. Okay, then going back to our tab here, it's in the back, so we'll orient that this way and we'll get her slip right back in. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can do this. All right. Tab is towards the back. I'm gonna compress the spring. Move this hose out of the way. It just kind of lifts up. It's a little flexible. Compress the spring with my finger. Slide this over the top of the housing. Release the spring and get this oriented back down in there. Okay. Okay, now get back in here like this. This tube has to come up, kind of gets in the way. Bring this housing back. There we go. If you have skinny hands, it'll do much better. Okay, I'm gonna feel for the tab. I'm at about 10 o'clock. I'm gonna rotate it while it's on the housing before we push down. There we go. Almost at 12 o'clock. There it is. All right. Now let's see. Where is my? Okay, There's that. Pretty much going by feel here at this point. There we go. The spring dropped down into its seat. There, the top locked in. We're good all the way around. Now we're just gonna start to kind of press fit down. Oh, I don't think I'm where I need to be. All right. Go under here, this hand. Double check where I'm at here. Go down with the back end of the screwdriver here. On top of that housing. Get some pressure on it. Again, double check the alignment of center cap back there. It looks like that might be a little bit off. Don't know if I can rotate it. I think I got it pushed down.